Yep.
We're gonna lift it up onto it. And this one, and maybe we can get it teetered up on this. I'll roll this on the, underneath to the other side and just kind of roll it into place.
Yep.
Hopefully. Push that water line down for the heated backrest and go from there.
Yeah, this is the water line for the heated backrest, and that gets hooked up to the hot water supply. Yeah.
I'm gonna lift this up a little bit more, Dan.
Yeah, and the reason we're doing this on top of the pipes here is just so the drain doesn't drag across the floor and potentially crack the bottom of the tub. A little added protection. We're over the hole.
I think so. Let me pull that piece of pipe. Should press it on something. There we go. So nice. I think it needs to go this way more.
Too much.
You need it.
I'll be like an eighth of an inch this way. I think we're good. Let's get it all that way just a hair.
Alright. Not sure how it's lined up yet, but
Yep.
pretty close. I think we might have to go that way slightly if it's doable.
Yep, I think we're good. Just a hair.
Close. And we can do a level check. I'm sure Dan's floor is perfectly level. So that is perfectly level, of course.
Yep, and all the rest of the connections, happen underneath in the garage. We just gotta hook up the heated backrest to the water supply, obviously the drain, and then plug the tub end to the blower, which is over there, which will go through the ceiling of the garage and get it over into the turbine over there.